Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many men's hearts: erectile dysfunction. I know it can be a tough subject to talk about, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Millions of men around the world experience ED at some point in their lives. If you're one of those men, you may have tried Viagra or other prescription medications to treat your ED. While these medications can be effective, they can also have side effects. And if you're looking for a more natural approach, there are a few things you can do. Tip number 1. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, and it can also help to improve your erectile function. Exercise helps to increase blood flow to the penis, which can make it easier to get and maintain an erection. Tip number 2. What you eat can also have a big impact on your erectile function. A healthy diet includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and it's important to limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Tip number 3. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces less testosterone, which can lead to ED. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Tip number 4. Stress can also contribute to ED. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or yoga. Tip number 5. If you're concerned about your ED, it's important to talk to your doctor. They can rule out any underlying medical conditions and recommend the best treatment plan for you. ED can be a frustrating condition, but it doesn't have to control your life. By following these tips, you can improve your erectile function and enjoy a healthy sex life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.